Good morning, Nigerians. In one of my videos, I talked about the health of the country. In this video, I'll be expatiating more on the health of the country. They say the healthier a country economy, the better it is for the country currency. Yes, that is how it is. There are problems affecting or things affecting the health of a country. 1. Politics. 2. Interest rate. 3. Natural disaster. 4. Terrorism. 5. Unemployment. 6. Export and import. If the federal government can handle these 6 problems, you will be surprised the level, the growth of the economy you will achieve in a space of time. In this video, I want to throw more light on interest rate, one of the problems affecting the health of the country. And if I say interest rate, I'm referring to the CBN, the functions and the duty of the Nigerian CBN, Central Bank of Nigeria. Central Bank are some of the most influenced players in the forex market. The Central Bank monetary policy generally outlines a particular country vision for growth. How they tackle issues like inflation, deflation, and their position on interest rate. It is very important to know Central Bank position is on interest rate because this is what determines the money supply for the country and its currency rate globally. And when you decide to trade the news, you want to pay close attention to high impact news that has to do with interest rate, such as the FDMC, the central bank rate decision, GDP, CPI, unemployment rate. Central bank don't trade to make a profit. They have different purposes in which they do in the forex market. For instance, the Central Bank of Nigeria has to keep the value of the Nigerian Naira low because the Nigerian economy depends on the export of Nigerian product. Other countries won't order from Nigeria if these products are too expensive. So it is the duty of Central Bank to regularize, to scrutinize all those investors to make sure that even though you are producing any product for the country consumption and for exportation, those products has to be up to standard for the country consumption and for exportation again. So if you manufacturing those products are selling those products on a higher rate, no foreign country can come into the country to invest because if they buy it at an expensive rate, how much are they going to sell it outside there? So it is the duty of the CBN to regularize the interest rate so that our product can be affordable, can be standard, can be quality for consumers to come and invest and export. If they acquire this product at a cheaper rate here, they take it outside to sell at a higher rate. 1, it adds value to the Naira currency. And 2, it give room for more production of product, because the cheaper they buy it, the more they come for it, and the product again is standard and third quality. So like I said, other countries won't order from Nigeria if the product are too expensive. And when the Naira value goes up, the Nigerian central bank buy other country currency against the Naira in order to lower the Naira value. As you can see, it is the duty of the central bank. They don't trade to make profit, but they trade to equalize the standard of the Naira value in the forex market. That is their duty. They play a very, very important role in the growth of the country. The other area I want the CBN governor to look into is the area of loan interest rate. If you look at commercial banks and microfinance banks today, they are exploiting money from their customers. For instance, microfinance bank, the loan interest rate is, some banks, microfinance bank are giving you 3.5, some interest rate, some are giving you 4% interest rate. You will not believe that those banks are charging those interest rate on a monthly basis instead of annually. So they are defrauding their customers, and they didn't meet up the ethics of banking, because as a banker your duty is to educate your customer, is to turn your customer from poverty to financial stability. That is the duty of a banker, to educate your customer on his financial management and regulation, so that he can be able to manage himself financially. But nowadays, what bankers does now is to extort money, to defraud their customers, and even accuse them because they know they are ignorant in those fields. So I urge the CBN governor to look into the commercial banks and the microfinance banks, so that they will increase the standard of banking in the system, and not just increase the standard of banking in the system, but to trade the Naira currency in the international market with standard. Thank you.